Yeah.
Hope it's got some picklers in it.
Yeah, shit, I want something loud.
Loud and obnoxious.
Oh, that's what she said. Weenie Hat Junior.
Sweet.
What is this, a razzle dazzle?
That's the only firework left in this box outside of sparklers. Down the sparklers.
Yeah, razzle dazzle.
Nice. America. What is this?
What?
I need a light. I got a bunch of things that are all in the same shape. These are candles. Streaming one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Piccolo Pete.
What are you doing? That was awful.
La 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 la.
Just waiting for the next big one. You sure are big.
Oh god.
All this like smoke.
Again.
I was going off to the left of the box. Well then. I'm extra cool.
Yeah.
I have a feeling this is like a small misdemeanor. That was alarming. So was this. Find its way towards the dirt. What is this?
I don't know.
Seriously, it's just a giant torch.
It's a flare. Wow. Oh my god, is that a spinner?
Yeah, maybe. It's gonna do that.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you gotta put them on like a pinwheel or something. It's just gonna do that.
Oh shit. Oh my god, it's gonna fly off into the creek.
There's a car.
Oh shit. Grab it! I can't. Oh, it's still going. This one.
That's pretty entertaining. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Hey.
Karina, look out. Come here.
Yeah. shit.
Alright.
Yeah, look at that volcano.
Really going.
Weak.
You figure. Almost impressive together.
Yeah.
The party. You drink the blood. That's what I gave you. Forget it.
Delicious. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, there's something under the car. There's something under the car. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh.
Still going. Just run at this stop. You see a dog.
Just roll them around in a circle.
Go get the trash. I have no idea what it's gonna do. Was that one that I lit? No, it's the
No, it's this one that's missing a base.
Yeah, it's the same one that I lit that wouldn't stand up. It's really crappy.
That's it? Holy shit.
Probably let's try her standing up.
Wow.
Oh, I got some water. No, I'm not even gonna waste the time.
We'll do it as
Is that
it's- Yeah. I didn't even get any of the ones in the street
What the
down
hell's
there.
all that?
What we lit earlier.
We got a shit ton of sparklers. Stand up. Quick, jump over it.
Sit and spin, sit and spin. Woo! Oh man, amazing. Okay, now the last big one, that's it. Wait, where'd the water go?
Mark has it.
Oh yeah.
Come on. There we go.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Jason, you wanna get that? Not really.
What?
Hey, that's the monster or something.
In the bag of the...
No, put it right here.
Oh. What? Where?
Alright.
I can't even see it.
It's doing something.
There it goes.
Yeah, right behind our car.
And,
Woo!
I'm gonna go wash